Hello guys, today we're gonna print a word at C++. So how to do it? We're gonna include IOStream, include the library of IOStream, which is to enable this C in and C out later on. Then using namespace std, namespace standard, and then after that include the main function, which is a must, and inside here is our main function. The main function will be the printing out, so C out to print out, C out. Inside here we're going to put anything we want, characters, hello, and then 1 2 3, and then symbols. All of the things which is inside here are printable by this. Okay, it's inside the string, so we're going to put an end to it using the semicolon, and then so that it will return the value of 0, so that it will exit and run the of this by using return 0 and semicolon. Never ever forget that. And we're gonna run it. Not declared. C out. Why is not declared like this? Sorry. Include IOStream, the library, and that's what's important of the library, because it won't run if we don't put it properly. And here it is. Print out hello 1 2 3 and this symbol from here, and that's how we do it. Okay, thank you guys. Leave a like and subscribe.